It's that time of the year where I can channel my inner evil. Hi friends, it's Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing some Halloween outfit ideas, and if you're a procrastinator like me, then this video is for you. Most of these outfits are comprised of pieces that you might already have in your closet, and all of these inspirations are based on pop culture. I'm just really excited for Halloween. It's that time of the year where I can channel my inner evil. It's not like I do anything evil, but what I meant by that is that I really love horror films and all the gory stuff, so this season is just right up my alley. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to see more of my content, and let's just get right into it. The first outfit that I recreated is Trixie Tang's from Fairly Odd Parents, and I can relate to Trixie in a deep level because I do love my words of affirmation. Sometimes I'm literally like, tell me I'm pretty. Tell me why you love me to my partner. I think Trixie's just so relatable and her outfit is so easy to recreate. She's just usually wearing a purple turtleneck with white skirt, and because I don't own any purple turtleneck, I'm just wearing like a pink one, and also paired it with a purple cardigan. She also wears white boots, and I think it's a knee-length boots. I don't have knee-length white boots, so I'm just wearing knee-length socks, and I think that did the trick. And don't forget her headband. Trixie also wears a matching purple headband. For the next outfit, I'm recreating Gabriella Montez from High School Musical in the scene we're all in this together. And I was so obsessed with High School Musical. I think I watched it more than 10 times when I was a kid. And in that scene, her outfit is again easy to recreate. She's just wearing a red dress. And to make it obvious that I'm trying to recreate her, I'm also bringing a basketball, and I think this is also a cool idea if you want to match with a partner or even your whole crew. You could all dress up as someone from High School Musical. Next we have Midsommar. My friends warned me to not watch that movie with my parents, and I was like, it couldn't be that bad. It was a bad idea. It was so awkward. There are some good parts of the movie, but a lot of weird ones too. But I just think that their outfits are really easy to channel for Halloween. You just need a white dress and a flower crown that you can easily get off Amazon or DIY. Next we have the iconic Blair Waldorf. I just really love Blair's preppy and classy style. And to recreate her outfit, I'm just wearing a plaid skirt and also a white shirt with a black bow and some ruffle details in the middle, and also a blazer, and of course her headband. I just really love this schoolgirl vibe, and I think, you know, Blair's style is just so classic and timeless. Another series that I love on Netflix is Sex Education. I think the characters are just really interesting and the story is so funny and unique, and there's a lot to learn. For this video, I'm recreating Maeve's outfit. Maeve wears a lot of punk rock style, black and some pink. She also has pink hair. I'm just wearing a black leather moto jacket, a band tee, and I'm also wearing a black skirt and also fishnet stockings. And I think if you go for Maeve for Halloween, you can dye your hair pink. There's a lot of temporary hair dyes out there, and I think it would really capture Maeve's look. I gotta admit, I've actually never watched Indiana Jones, but I am familiar with the outfit, and you know, I think outfit-wise, you can find a lot of those pieces in your closet already. So I'm just wearing a pair of brown pants. They don't have to be leather. I think the actor is actually not wearing a leather one, but I just really like the look of this pair. I'm also wearing a white shirt underneath. I think the actor wears a brown one, but it does the job. And lastly, I'm wearing a suede brown suede jacket. And in the movie, the actor wears a leather one, and I have a brown leather jacket, but I think it's too dark, and this brown just works better with the outfit. And lastly, I'm also wearing a hat that kind of looks like a cowboy hat, but not really, but I think it works. Next, we have Harry Styles, and I'm a big fan of Harry's style. I just really love how he's so bold and unafraid to experiment with styles, whether they're deemed as masculine or feminine. I just love that about him. And you know, in this outfit recreation, I'm trying to channel his Watermelon Sugar High music video. I'm wearing a loose pattern shirt with also like a kind of like a funky vest and some jeans. And you know, I'll probably bring a watermelon with me if I wear this outfit, just to make it obvious that I'm trying to channel Watermelon Sugar High. But because we don't have that, I think the phone will do. If you're more into classic outfits, then Holly Golightly is perfect for you. She's just timeless, and that scene where she's just eating her breakfast in front of Tiffany is just really iconic. And you know, you can just wear a black dress and long black gloves, but because I don't have long black gloves, I'm just wearing a long black dress, also some cat eye glasses, and also pearl necklaces. I'm also bringing a Tiffany box. You don't need that at all, but I do love my props, and I put some croissant inside because I filmed the outfits at night and I was getting really hungry and I just needed that croissant. Can we talk about You Season 3? It was just crazy. Just when you think that the characters can't get any crazier, the show proves you wrong. And of course, I wanted to recreate one of the characters from that series, and I chose Love. I think in this season, she wears a lot of striped tees, so I'm just wearing a striped tee, and of course an apron because she's a talented baker. She also wears a lot of like hoop earrings and gold necklaces, and you know, just to make it really obvious that it's Love who I'm trying to be, I'm also bringing a bowl with like some red food coloring for blood effect and a whisk. One of my favorite shows from last year is Bridgerton. I just really love how it's a perfect balance of like kind of like classic and modern romance. Like, it was set years ago, but you know, there were really some modern aspects to it, which I really love. And I just really love the style of their outfits. I'm a big fan of period fashion and period pieces, and you know, with like corsets and like puffy sleeves being back in fashion, I think that, you know, this is something that you could like just easily put together for a Halloween costume. I'm just wearing this like pink dress, and because I don't have gloves, I just literally cut the ends of a sock and pretended that they're gloves, although they kind of look like arm warmers. But we're not gonna talk about that. I'm also wearing a pearl headband and also a pearl handbag, and I'm using pampas grass as a fan. Yeah, we gotta make use of what we have. So I really tried to recreate Beth's outfit last night when I was filming, but I think I was too focused on her ginger hair. I had a red wig and I was trying hard to make it work, but it didn't. I ended up looking like Chucky. You know, that really evil doll, and I wasn't trying to recreate him, so I gave up last night. So that's why I'm wearing like kind of like a Beth inspired outfit today. Queen's Gambit was such a good show. It was just like the cinematography, the acting, and just like the concept of it. It was set between like late 50s and late 60s, and 60s fashion is something that I truly love. So I really tried hard to recreate one of Beth's outfits, like a few actually, but some didn't work. Lastly, we have black Swan, and you know, you just need like a black skirt, preferably a tutu, or in this case, I'm just wearing a black skater skirt, but I just so happen to have a black feather cape, but I just tied it around my waist to make it look like it's part of a skirt, but you really don't need that. Also, you can just wear a black one piece underneath or a black corset, and it's with this look, it's really about the makeup. She wears this really like strong black eye makeup, but because I was too lazy to do her makeup, I just decided to wear this mask. And yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you like it, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!